Hi everybody, Dave Matthews from Champion Trading again, and big shout out to our friends in the cosmetic business today, especially those, it's going to take a few minutes to do that, who make lipstick, hot pour cosmetics, even natural soaps in hot pour. Typically this is a chill table, which is used for mostly lipsticks. A typical mold would be like this, where after filled hot, we're left on the table so that it would solidify the lipsticks in there. Just to show you how quickly it's working, we poured a little water first as a test. This is our second test. You can see around the edges it's starting to freeze already. The table's 22 by 47 inches long. It's on a mild steel frame. Tam, if you come around the back here, we have a small little refrigeration compressor inside that operates the whole unit, directly chilling the table with the Freon. In this case, it's using an R12 Freon. It's a Tecumseh unit, all self-contained, operating on 208 three-phase voltage right now. It will operate on both the 230 as well, single phase. If you come over here, Dan, you'll see we just poured this water, and it's only been a matter of maybe 40 seconds, and you'll see the edges are actually starting to freeze. Now the table's very cold right now because there's not a little workload on it. Normally you'd have it covered with your molds, solidifying your materials. We have about 3 of these in stock, as well as some others if you're in the cosmetic business or do any kind of high pour or have to solidify products this way. We hope you visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for joining us today.